how to record and calculate the Acoustic Voice Quality Index in Cantaris. So first things first, you have your selected person right here and you have a current measurement date. If you need to add another date today, you can just click the plus icon right here, because in every measurement you can create a new Acoustic Voice Quality Index calculation. You need to be in the Phonanium Voice Lab and then click on Acoustic Voice Quality Index. This is going to show you all the parameters that Cantaris is going to calculate for you. And you only need 2 recordings, you can see it at the left right here, to complete the recording list for the AVQI and then letting the software do the calculations on its own. You need a speech or continuous speech recording, and you need a vowel or a sustained vowel recording. For speech and for speech itself, it is best to use the phonetically balanced version of the language that your client will speak. So in most languages, it is some kind of translation of the north wind and the sun, for most of them. In my native language, in Dutch, it is what they call papa en marloes. So let me just record that real quick. So I'll click speech and Cantaris will immediately start recording. En I'll do, for example, Papa en Marloes staan op het station. Ze wachten op de trein. Eerst hebben ze een kaartje gekocht. I'll click stop and then the little check mark says that there's a speech recording recorded in Cantaris. Now the sustained vowel is always an vowel for at least 3 seconds, because the software will cap the middle 3 seconds of the whole recording. For example, and click to stop. When both have a check mark, Cantaris will immediately run the calculation of the Acoustic Voice Quality Index. And with normative data, you can put it to the language that your client speaks. So for me, that's Dutch. Now, the Acoustic Voice Quality Index indicates a better voice quality in a lower score and indicates a worse voice quality in a higher score. Now, my AVQI, my Acoustic Voice Quality Index, is 0.93, which indicates a good voice quality. And I can click Recordings to just visit the recordings more and see fundamental frequency or loudness change or spectrographic changes. I can play it and I can listen to it back, and I can run more analysis if I need to, or delete the recording if I need to. Do mind that if you delete one of the AVQI recordings, it'll also delete the calculation of the AVQI. So also for the vowel, if you want more analysis of the vowel, click the vowel, click Analyze, and for example, run the spectrogram and voice markers analysis. That'll give you a deeper understanding of the narrowband spectrogram. You can get jitter and shimmer and harmonics to noise ratio, and also the voicing and stability parameters like voice breaks. You can export this to the PDF if you like. And clicking back on measure is going to put you back into this measurement screen right here. So the AVQI is now saved in this measurement date for this person. You can right-click the AVQI and copy results to just copy all of these results to the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere. You can also click timeline, in which you can get an AVQI score across time, across all measurements date for this person, and click copy to clipboard to just copy it and paste it wherever you need it. So that's how you record and calculate an Acoustic Voice Quality Index in Cantaris.